Welcome to Obkio's app. Today, we'll be looking at the Live Network Status tab in Obkio's app, which shows you the live network performance of all network paths on Obkio's Chord Diagram. Here, you can see Obkio's Chord Diagram. The Chord Diagram is made up of Obkio's monitoring agents, deployed in key network locations, as of the monitoring sessions, which are created between agents. As you can see, at the moment, we have three monitoring agents in the Chord Diagram: the My Agent, the AWS, and the Azure Quebec agent. The line between the agents shows the network performance status between your local agent towards the public internet-based agents. If you see a green status line, this means that your performance is great. If you have a yellow or red line, that means you have a performance issue. So, how can you edit this Chord Diagram? You can do so by either editing your Obkio agents or by editing your monitoring sessions. To edit your monitoring agents, go to the Agents tab. You can see that right now I have 4 agents deployed. But only 3 of the agents are seen in the Chord Diagram. As we can see here, the OVH Bohemois agent is missing from the Chord Diagram. You can add more agents here by clicking this Create New Agent button. You can also delete an existing agent here by selecting the agent, clicking on Edit, and selecting Delete Agent. So this is all you need to know about agent management. To edit monitoring sessions, navigate to the Network Performance tab. Here you can see that, between the agents, there are 2 monitoring sessions, which we can see right now on the Chord Diagram. To edit your monitoring sessions, use this gear icon to access your monitoring template. Obkio provides 2 monitoring templates by default: the one between your own agents and the one between your agents towards the internet. In this example, I'll be editing the second template, as I want to change my monitoring session towards the internet. Here we have 2 lists of agents. The monitoring sessions will be configured between the first list of agents, or groups, towards the second list of agents, or groups. Here, I'm going to add the OVH Bohemois agent to the second list because I'm building sessions from my agents towards the public agents group. But the OVH Bohemois agent is not currently part of that group. We'll be seeing that later on. So just select the OVH Bohemois agent and click Save. To view the change, go back to the Live Network status, and we can see that there is an additional monitoring session from the OVH Bohemois agent that is now part of the Chord Diagram. If you wait a moment, the session status will automatically update, but you can also click on this refresh icon to get an immediate update. You can also change the view of this Chord Diagram. Use these arrows to view from a group standpoint, or also maybe from an ISP standpoint. And you can also filter the agents that are selected in this Chord Diagram. You can use the filter icon here to change your filter by agents, and you can exclude or include specific agents. So this is how you use the Live Network Status tab in Obkio's app, as well as Obkio's Chord Diagram.